Hey guys, this is 𝐓𝐚𝐧𝐤 with another tutorial whether how you can connect your Threads account with Metricool. So to connect your Threads account, open your search engine and sign into your Metricool account. Well, to connect your Threads account, either you can find Threads here on this sidebar, or you can go to Connections under your Profile menu. Here, click on Connect a Threads account. Now, log in with your Instagram credentials. Here, click on Edit and turn off the options you don't want Metricool should have access to. Then click on Continue. Now, your Threads account has just been connected with Metricool. And when you go back to the Threads section on the main page, here you will be able to see the stats regarding Threads. And it's just updated the current stats of my Threads account. Anyhow, with the free Metricool account, you will be able to see the stats for 3 months without watermark. And this is how you can connect your Threads account with Metricool, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.